I had so many emotions. Fear, anger, blaming myself. I mean, you think that your daughter's safe in her own bedroom. I wanted him to go down for a long time. But I dreaded what Chloe would have to go through in court.
I didn't want to get involved. I didn't want to see someone get stabbed. But I couldn't just leave him lying there. I told this woman who was walking past, and then I ran off. But she identified me to the police as a witness. My mom talked to you and Co. When they rang, I told them I could take care of myself. But then I had to go to court. And I was scared.
Young people can tell us that they feel quite scared sometimes about giving their evidence in court. So we'll be with you every single step of the way. We'll start with a home visit, where someone will sit with you, go through your rights under the witness charter, tell you who's who in court, and explain the court process from start to finish. We'll then put that into practice when we go on a pre-trial visit. At a pre-trial visit, we'll look at a safety plan for you, thinking about the entrances you'll come in at court, how we keep you separate from the defendant or their families and supporters, where you'll sit in the waiting room, and making sure that security are alert to any issues that there might be.
I couldn't talk to Mum, but I did talk to my worker, Sally. I couldn't have done it without her. She introduced me to another worker who helped prepare me for court and was there while I gave the evidence. At court, I was shaking so much. My voice went wobbly, but she told me I was allowed to ask things like, I don't understand the question and I need a break. Sally was still waiting for me after court. She's still supporting me now.
I was just relieved that she had somebody that could help her cope with all this. And they helped me too. I also had a volunteer from victim support who helped me understand what was going to happen in court and kept us up to date with the case. And that meant that Sally and the young witness worker could focus on Chloe.
If you got to go to court because you have to give evidence, here's what I think. 1, get someone to show you around the court and explain what's going to happen. That was good. 2, you got rights. If you're scared about giving evidence, the police can get you into court a different way. And you can be sitting in a different room through a TV link, like Skype. I didn't want to go to court, but I got some help and I did it. And so can you.